Alright, I got this problem where I put my key in here and it gets bends it. I could put some WD-40 in there, but to be honest with you, it's a pain in the ass. So got this off eBay from BoB MOTO. I'm gonna take this out and put this in. It's the same size with its own bolts. Should be quick and easy. Comes with a vent. Motherfuckers in there. Bet you this is what the problem is. Yep, there we go. I gotta bend my key back or else it won't start the bike. See what it does? No, many times I went to go start the bike and yeah, it was like, yeah, that's not the key, man. I said, yeah, it is. The bike was like, nah. There we go. Make sure it turns it on. Yeah, we're good. Alright. I thought that was supposed to be a gasket. But apparently you're not. Go back with the originals. Okay, these are a little longer. Spanish music. Hope they don't flag my video for copyright. I ain't playing it. Yep. Better. And that's that. BoB MOTO on eBay. $50.